Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows hardware and device problems with your troubleshoot option. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing any hardware and device problems like printer or Bluetooth or web camera, then I will show you how to resolve this problem with troubleshooter. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see here troubleshoot setting, click on this. After that, you will find here other troubleshooters. Click on this option. Here you can see some of the options. You need to find which is your problem you are facing. Like suppose if you are facing the problem with your printer, just click on run. Or suppose if you are facing the problem with your Bluetooth, just click on run. For example, I will run as Bluetooth troubleshooter. Just click on run, and the problem detection will be start. After identifying the problem, it will ask to apply and fix. You can just click on apply and fix and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows hardware and device problem with troubleshoot option. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.